What is up, everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video, Schofield Labs. Today we are gonna be building the underwater sea site. I don't know the name, but it's gonna be pretty cool. So we're gonna start off with bag one, like you guys probably would. And this is the instructions. There's a whole bunch of people on the back, and then there's this. So let's get right into it. Where's this? Oh. This is called the Ocean Explorer base. So I'm gonna show you a few parts about it. So on it there is this blade. I don't know what it's for though. And there's 3 little huts, and they both have like little glass thingies to protect it. And so this carries the whole thing. So, and then there's these hooks that grab stuff, pretty much. So, then we have a stingray here. It's pretty cool. And then a hammerhead shark. That. So, and also old bike. Cars and license bottle, and then all the people. So this is a scuba diver, and then this person, I don't know what she is, and then this is the driver for the whole thing. This is a chest full of goodies. So, and then we have this, I don't know what it's for. And then this just kind of like roams around and finds stuff. Bye, thanks for watching.